If you are like me and you suffer from migraines, headaches, eye strain when using your devices, whether it's a tablet, a phone, or your computer, this video is for you. What up, Digital Slang? Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to talk about a company called Ocushield. Now, if you follow me, if you follow Digital Slang, or if you follow my live streams on Slangcast for the past few weeks, I've talked about migraines, headaches. I do suffer from them quite a bit, and when I do get them, they knock me out, right? Nauseousness, throwing up, and I can feel it coming on all the time when I'm using my iPhone or my iPad, whatever it is, the way Apple's OLEDs work, the way they color calibrate it. I'm not really sure why, but specifically on Apple devices, it's far worse for me than on an Android device. So I've been deciding, contemplating over the past few weeks whether I'm just done with iPhones because I'm tired of the headaches and the migraines. So I've been looking for something to help with that. And you can see here, I did pick up some blue light glasses from Best Buy. These were 50 bucks from a company called Gunner, and they work great. They do help, but I don't want to wear glasses all the time. I never have worn glasses. I don't like glasses. I don't even wear sunglasses in the summertime. I don't want to wear these. Now, they do help, so I know it works, right? So what's next? What can I use that I don't have to put on my face? Well, tempered glass screen protector here from a company called Ocushield. They were generous enough to send these out to me, but this is not a paid review. All opinions are my own. But in front of me here, I do have a tempered glass screen protector, a anti-blue light screen protector for the iPhone 12 Pro Max, as well as my iPad Pro, the 2020 version. And they do have screen protectors, tempered glass blue light screen protectors for basically anything, whether it's an Android device, an iPhone, a monitor, a computer, a tablet, whatever it is, they will have it for you on their website. And of course, I'll drop the links below so you guys can check them out. So again, I'm searching for something to help with my migraines. And so today, I'm just going to tell you a little bit about them. I'm going to put this on my phone. I'll show you how to put it on. It does come with an applicator to put it on. And then I'll come back with a follow-up video and let you know if it has helped with my headaches. And it's a big deal. Like, I have a headache right now from using my iPhone today, and I can feel it coming on. I can feel when it is happening. And sometimes it comes on real quick. Other times it just lingers. Today is one of those days where it just lingers. So let's take a look at the packaging real quick. If you follow the channel, you know I'm a big fan of packaging, and Ocushield is doing it right? First impressions go a long way. It doesn't kind of say everything about the final product, but it does help, and it does go a long way because it shows that they care. So that usually translates to a final product. So Ocushield, love your eyes, anti-blue light screen protector. Now, what's good about this? True colors, right? A lot of the blue light filters, like on these glasses, these are, you can see the yellow hinge, the yellow tint to these. These are going to keep everything clear. And at the same time, it's going to block out about 95% of the blue light. Tempered glass, blue light filter. It does prevent eye strain. It affects your melatonin. That's why if you're sleeping at night, or if you're trying to sleep, if you're laying down, right, going to bed, and you're on your phone, and then you put your phone down and you can't fall asleep, well, it's because of the blue light on your display. It's keeping you up. It does affect your melatonin. Sleep better. Now, these are not just like comments from this company. These guys are accredited, and these are class 1 medical devices here. So these things are legit. They've been featured on BBC, on Forbes, on Digital Trends. So these guys are the real deal. And you can see on the back, it tells you a little bit more about it. Blue light, what's that about? Blue light is everywhere. It's in sunlight, but it's especially common in digital devices, our iPhones, our laptops, our tablets, right? It's worse at night. When it's dark, you're using your phone, your tablet, whatever it is worse. It does say it blocks your melatonin, and it will keep you up. It's bad during the day. Too much staring at the screens, too much blue light will cause eye strain, fatigue, headaches, dry eyes, and blurry vision. Now, there is an applicator in the packaging for your phone, as well as one for your iPad. Dust removers, alcohol wipe, a cleaning cloth, and again, the true colors. It does not affect your screen's display. So again, like the glasses, it'll give you a different tint it'll give you a little different look. These are still clear. So let's open one up, check it out. We'll do the iPhone first and we'll check it out. Now, price on these guys for the iPhone, it's around 42 bucks right now because of Cyber Week, Cyber Monday. So I think originally these are around 63 bucks for the 12 Pro Max. And of course, older phones, they are cheaper. So let's see what else is in the box. So you can see we do get the applicator. What is this? Warnings and contradictions. Disposal after use, lifetime. The Ocushield screen protector is designed to have a lifespan of 2 years before being replaced. So it's good to know. And this, of course, is the frame where you're going to put your phone in, and we'll try that out. See instructions first. Step 4, press the side down, then peel off the sticker. And this will be our wipe. So let's put this stuff to the side. We're going to put this on and see how it works. I'm excited to use this, guys. I get headaches way too much. And I'm seriously considering ditching my iPhone. If this doesn't work, the iPhone is out of here for good, forever. So let's check it out. Throw it on. And I will come back in a week or two with a follow-up video. It's only going to take me 2-3 days to know because usually I get headaches. Man, it's pretty much every other day at this point. So I'm going to throw it on. Let's take a look and see how we can put this on. So in here, we should have some stuff to clean it with. So we got a microfiber cloth. We got a wet wipe, and we have some dust removing stickers. So let's do that. Let's clean this guy off first. We don't want any bubbles, right? We'll do the wet wipe. Get this nice and clean. That thing is pretty wet. And we'll take the microfiber again and we'll dry it. And again, guys, even if you don't suffer from migraines and headaches, this is a product that will help you. It's going to help with your sleep. It's going to help you long term. Even if you don't suffer from it right now, you might want to think about this because it's just good health, right? It's just good for your health. So this is going to come out. Now what we're going to do, this is going to go in. All right, you can see the cutout here. That's for the notch, the almighty notch. First, actually, this peels off. So we peel this off, and there is the tempered glass screen protector in there. Now we got to try and place this in there perfectly. It should fit right in. Turn it over, press down, and then there's a little pull tab here. You're going to pull, and then you're going to pop it up. Now you can see we do have a bubble here. Get that out of there. We got one right in the middle. You can kind of push that out. All right, so I do have the screen protector on here, and the applicator does work fairly well. You do have to kind of mess with it to get the bubbles out, but that is normal, just like any other tempered glass screen protector. Now you can see here, it is a clear screen protector. So if you can see the glasses here, they do have that yellow lens on there, right? So it is a bit of a yellow hue. When you are using them, everything changes color. This protector, this tempered glass screen protector, it is clear. So when it's off, when the screen is off, you can see it is a mirror finish, but looking at it, it is a very clear display. Now I do have the brightness set pretty low because of the video that we're filming, but overall very clear display. Now I do want to mention also, these guys are accredited. Remember that this is a Class 1 medical device. Now for every sale they get, they do donate. Ocushield donates $1 to the Royal National Institute of Blind People. So this is what they do, guys. They are here to help. They donate money to the blind, to a foundation, and they're trying to help us out with our health, our eye strain. And look, man, we all know eyesight's crazy important. So check these out. I'm not gonna put the one on the iPad. I will do it probably tonight or tomorrow, and I'll get back to you on how this is working for me. And I'm gonna get a good idea tomorrow. I'll be on my phone a lot tomorrow, so I'll know, because like I said earlier in the video, when I'm using my phone, I can tell when I get a headache. Like I have one right now, it's just lingering. It does happen pretty fast when I'm using my iPhone, so I'll know pretty good. I'll have a pretty good idea of how this works because the glasses make a difference. So if this can give me that same amount of difference, I'm going to be very happy. So the tempered glass screen protector, accredited Class 1 medical device from Ocushield. Right here, guys. Love your eyes. eye strain, get better sleep at night, protect yourself. And that's it, guys. I'll be back soon with more. Hope you're enjoying your night. Peace.